In this video, I will be showing you how to install Deepseek on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and navigate to the search bar. I type in Deepseek, I log in, and press enter to look up the platform. From the search results, I click on the first link for Deepseek to access the main interface. Once the chat page loads, I move my cursor over to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the settings menu. I scroll down the menu options until I find Cast, Save, and Share, and hover over it to reveal the submenu. From there, I select Install Page as App. A small pop-up window appears prompting me to install the page as an app, showing the name Deepseek. I click the Install button to confirm. Immediately, a new, clean window opens up specifically for the Deepseek application, separating it from my standard browser tabs. Now, I test out the application by clicking inside the input field that says Message Deepseek. I type in a prompt to ask for an explanation of how digital payments work, specifically tracking the journey from the moment a card is tapped until the payment is approved. After typing the complete question, I click the blue arrow icon on the right side to send the message. The application starts processing my request, and text begins to generate on the screen. It details a comprehensive breakdown of the payment process. I can see it outlines Step 1 as the tap and data transmission, explaining how a contactless card or digital wallet communicates with a terminal. As I scroll down through the response, it continues to break down the rest of the process, including Step 2 where the terminal builds the authorization request, and Step 3 where the acquiring bank routes the request. I continue scrolling down to read the full output, which covers Step 4 with the card network contacting the bank, Step 5 where the issuing bank runs the authorization decision, Step 6 for the approval traveling back down the chain, and Step 7 where the terminal says approved. It also adds sections explaining the difference between approved and settled payments, as well as a brief summary on why the entire process happens so fast. The app responds smoothly, and I now have Deepseek fully installed as a desktop application on my Windows 10 PC. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.